He's the king of YouTube, known for his outrageous stunts and incredible generosity. MrBeast, the philanthropic prankster, has taken the internet by storm. But now, he's conquering a new frontier, the world of chocolate. Feastables, MrBeast's own chocolate bar brand, has become a sensation. But what's the secret behind these delectable treats? Let's unwrap the mystery and discover how Feastables chocolate is made. Feastables isn't just about satisfying your sweet tooth, it's about quality, ethical sourcing, and a whole lot of fun. In this journey, we'll delve into the heart of Feastables' production process, exploring the steps that transform humble cocoa beans into irresistible chocolate bars. Get ready for a wild ride through the world of chocolate making, Feastables style. Our journey begins high in the Andes Mountains of Peru, a land renowned for its exceptional cocoa beans. Here, amidst the lush greenery and breathtaking landscapes, Feastables sources its prized ingredient. But these aren't just any cocoa beans. Feastables is committed to ethical sourcing, partnering with farmers who prioritize fair labor practices and sustainable farming methods. In February 2025, Feastables joined Tony's Chocolately's Open Chain, a collaborative platform dedicated to achieving a 100% slave-free chocolate industry. This partnership solidified Feastables' commitment to transparency and responsibility within the cocoa supply chain. By ensuring fair wages and safe working conditions for farmers, Feastables guarantees that every bite of their chocolate is as ethical as it is delicious. These ethically sourced Peruvian cocoa beans form the foundation of Feastables' commitment to quality and responsible indulgence. The journey from bean to bar is a meticulous one, involving a series of carefully orchestrated steps. Each phase is crucial in transforming raw cocoa beans into the delicious Feastables chocolate we all love. It all starts with the arrival of the raw cocoa beans at the Feastables factory. These beans are sourced from some of the finest cocoa farms around the world, ensuring top-notch quality right from the beginning. Here, the beans are meticulously cleaned, removing any debris or impurities. This step is essential to ensure that only the best beans make it to the next stage. Next comes the roasting process, where the beans are carefully heated to bring out their rich flavor and aroma. The temperature and duration of roasting are precisely controlled to achieve the perfect balance. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. This is where the magic truly begins, as the beans start to develop their unique chocolatey notes. The roasted beans are then ground into a thick paste known as cocoa mass. This process breaks down the beans into smaller particles, creating a smooth and rich base. This intense chocolatey mass is the foundation of all chocolate creations. It's the heart and soul of what will eventually become the Feastables chocolate bars. Sugar, milk powder, and other carefully selected ingredients are then added to the cocoa mass, creating a blend that's ready for the next crucial stage, conching. Each ingredient is measured with precision to ensure the perfect taste and texture. This lengthy process involves churning and smoothing the chocolate for hours, refining its texture and developing its characteristic flavor. The conching process is what gives Feastables chocolate its signature smoothness and melt-in-your-mouth quality. Section 4. A commitment beyond chocolate Feastables and ethical practices. While Feastables is deeply invested in creating delicious chocolate, their commitment extends far beyond the taste buds. They are dedicated to ensuring that every bar of chocolate is made with the highest ethical standards in mind. They've faced scrutiny regarding child labor allegations within their supply chain, a concern raised in August 2024. This issue has put a spotlight on their sourcing practices and raised questions about their ethical commitments. Initially, Feastables claimed to be child labor-free on their FAQ page in January 2022. This claim was a significant part of their brand identity, reassuring customers of their ethical stance. However, these claims were removed in October 2023, leading to questions about their sourcing practices. The removal of this statement has caused some to question the transparency of their operations. Despite the controversy, MrBeast and the Feastables team have maintained their dedication to ethical sourcing. They have been actively working to ensure that their supply chain is free from unethical practices. They actively promote their partnership with Tony's Open Chain, emphasizing their commitment to transparency and fair trade practices. This partnership is a testament to their ongoing efforts to improve the industry. While the child labor allegations haven't been directly addressed, Feastables' ongoing efforts to improve the cocoa industry's ethical standards remain evident. They are continuously working to ensure that their products are made responsibly. They prioritize sourcing from ethical farms and cooperatives, ensuring fair wages and safe working conditions for all involved. This commitment to ethical sourcing is a core part of their mission to make a positive impact on the industry. Section 5. A taste of something different. What makes Feastables unique? What sets Feastables apart from the crowded chocolate bar aisle? It's not just MrBeast's playful personality infused into the brand. Feastables is known for its unique and often unexpected flavor combinations. From the classic crunch of MrBeast bar, to the surprising delight of D's Nuts, a peanut butter and caramel concoction, Feastables offers a flavor adventure for every palate. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Feastables is committed to using high-quality ingredients, ensuring a richer, more satisfying chocolate experience. They also prioritize sustainability, using recyclable packaging and minimizing their environmental footprint. This combination of unique flavors, quality ingredients, and ethical practices makes Feastables a standout choice in the world of chocolate. Section 6. Indulge in the feast, a sweet recap. From the sun-drenched slopes of the Peruvian Andes, where the finest cocoa beans are nurtured by the rich soil and perfect climate, to the state-of-the-art Feastables factory, where innovation meets tradition, we've traced the incredible journey of these delicious chocolate bars. From the hands of dedicated farmers to the skilled artisans in the factory, we've witnessed the meticulous process of transforming raw cocoa beans into smooth, flavorful chocolate, a process that requires precision and passion, all while upholding ethical sourcing and sustainable practices. These practices ensure that every bar of Feastables chocolate is not only delicious but also responsibly made. Feastables is more than just a chocolate bar. It's a symbol of quality and integrity, and a testament to MrBeast's vision of combining indulgence with responsibility. His commitment to creating a product that is both enjoyable and ethical is evident in every bite. Feastables invites you to savor not just the taste of their chocolate, but also the story behind it. Each bar tells a tale of dedication, craftsmanship, and care, but also the story behind it. With each bite, you're experiencing the culmination of careful sourcing, meticulous craftsmanship, and a commitment to ethical practices. The journey from bean to bar is a testament to the hard work and dedication of everyone involved, and a commitment to ethical practices. So, next time you reach for a Feastables bar, remember the journey it took to get there. A journey that reflects a dedication to quality. Remember the journey it took to get there. A journey that reflects a dedication to quality, flavor, and a better world. Each bar is a piece of a larger story, flavor, and a better world. So, indulge in the feast knowing that every bite supports a vision of sustainability and excellence. Section 7, Beyond the Bite, Exploring the World of Food Production. The fascinating journey of Feastables chocolate is just a glimpse into the intricate world of food production. From the sourcing of raw ingredients to the final packaged product, countless hands and processes contribute to the foods we enjoy every day. So why stop at chocolate? Take a bite out of curiosity and explore the fascinating processes behind your favorite foods. Ever wondered how gummy bears get their chewy texture or how potato chips achieve that perfect crunch? There's a whole world of culinary wonders waiting to be unraveled. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next delicious adventure.